If no one told you the key to Ghormeh Sabzi, this is for you. I'll teach you all the secrets of a delicious Ghormeh Sabzi. Stay with me. Finely chopped greens fried in oil until dark. Don't over-fry to avoid bitterness. Chopped onions fried in oil. When softened, add meat. Added spices and well-fried greens. Add soaked red bean from night before. Add and adjust salt. Add boiling water to mix and add a spoon as seasoning. Let meat and beans cook on low heat. Add animal oil and Omani lime mid-cook. This is a secret. Dry greens written in caption and sautéed with turmeric and pomegranate rub. Added last half hour to Ghormeh Sabzi. Look here. Smell fills the house. This perfect Ghormeh Sabzi has other secrets I wrote in the caption for you.